System loading. System appears to be online. Hello? Can you hear me? Hi. Initial response seems affirmative. Beginning phase 2. My name is Colt. I'll be helping you with your experience today. We will be testing you on the 5 senses. Please pick up the box in front of you. Please read the instructions and continue when ready. Focusing operational system offline. Manual override required. Please continue reading the instructions on the package and continue when ready. Please move on to the next step. If you are not ready, then you may choose to continue reading the instructions on the package.